Last night driving home from work, the Jetta sprouted a pretty big exhaust leak coming from somewhere over by the turbo. And I'm pretty positive I know exactly what it is because I've already dealt with this before on the CTS turbo. So take a look at what it sounds like. All right, so I decided not to take that little bracket out. I don't really need to. So there's our culprit right there, that hole that's missing. And as you can see, there's the bolt right down there just chilling. Alrighty, so I got the bolt threaded in there a little bit. We got our Loctite that we used last time. We're gonna put some of that on there and send her home, and hopefully that'll fix it. Ooh. Yeah, that ought to do the trick. And here's the wrench from last time that I used that I ground down because those are kind of tight in there. Now, after getting the intake back in, we are going to start the car and see if that fixed the issue. All right, looks like it fixed it, which is great. That's the second time doing that, and hopefully we don't have to do it for a third time. So that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe for more Volkswagen content.